It's Tuesday, February 18th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, sponsored by Profile PR and Strategies. And the big question starting this shortened work week is whether the latest inflation update might cause the Bank of Canada to cut interest rates a bit further. StatsCan's Consumer Price Index, a tenth of a point higher for January to 1.9%, thanks largely to higher energy costs. The four western provinces showing the highest inflation rates now, with Manitoba at 2.7%, Alberta 2.5%, Saskatchewan 2.4%, and BC at 2.2%. The next Bank of Canada interest rate review, March 12th. Further to last week's home building data from Canada Mortgage and Housing, showing a 3% jump for housing starts in January. Those in the know are warning us all not to get too excited, as the big wild card going forward will be the potential impact that Donald Trump's trade war could have on both builders and buyers. Updated daily, it's Canada's Business Beat on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcasts, including Spotify and Apple. Sponsored by Profile PR and Strategies, empowering business to tell their stories with expert media training, profile building, crisis management, and much more at profilepr.ca. We don't have a dollar figure to share at this point, but there's news of another big deal in the electric vehicle battery business. Sweden's Northvolt unloading one of its few money-making divisions that produces batteries for heavy industry to Swedish truck maker Scania. What a win for the advertisers who bought ads in Saturday Night Live's 50th anniversary special, one of the most watched primetime entertainment telecasts in about 5 years, with nearly 15 million viewers. And checking the Business Beat radar for the rest of the week. Fourth quarter earnings for miners, B2Gold, New Gold, Lundin, Hudbay, and Pan American Silver on Wednesday. The latest EI count from StatsCan and Q4 results from Vancouver-based mining giant Teck Resources on Thursday. StatsCan wrapping up the week on Friday with December retail sales data. And that will do it for your Tuesday, the 18th. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Profile PR and Strategies.